Hi, and welcome to syGlass Academy. Today we are talking about the Decorate Data tool. This data set is a light sheet image of frog skin. Select the Decorate Data tool, represented by shapes and an arrow in the toolbar. In the Decorate Data Tool Settings menu, you'll see a variety of colors to choose from, and the options that read arrow and box. You'll want to use your settings menu in conjunction with your radial menu. Let's start with the arrow first. Use the trigger on the back of your controller to drop the top of the arrow, and then scroll the touchpad for the width of the arrow. And then you'll use the trigger again when it's the desired length to complete the decoration. The next option is box mode. Pull the trigger to drop the first corner of the box, and then move your controller around until you get the desired width and height of the box. Scroll the touchpad again for the size, and then pull the trigger. You can toggle the decorations on and off using Show or Hide Decorations in your radial menu. Press the bottom of your touchpad for eraser mode. It'll bring up a red cross on your controller, and then you just click the trigger to delete. The decorations will stay connected to your data set so you can move them around freely. Thank you.